Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest reviews on the latest gadgets and accessories. Today, we're diving into the world of photography with a game-changer, the Waka Rapid Camera Neck Strap. It's the best companion for your telephoto lens, offering unparalleled comfort, security, and convenience. Let's dive into why the Waka Rapid Camera Neck Strap stands out from the crowd. First and foremost, security is paramount when it comes to carrying your precious camera gear. The Waka Rapid Camera Neck Strap prioritizes safety with its anti-falling plastic buckle, stainless steel screw, and solid metal quick release. Say goodbye to those heart-stopping moments of watching your camera slip away. But safety isn't the only thing this strap has to offer. Made of reinforced durable material and featuring an anti-slip neoprene pad, the Waka strap ensures that your comfort is never compromised, even during long shoots or travels. And let's talk about adjustability. With a range of 20.8 inches to 31.5 inches, this strap caters to all photographers, providing a customizable fit that's perfect for both men and women. Plus, the instant shoot design means you'll never miss a moment, whether you're capturing wildlife, sports, or special events. Now, let's address compatibility. The Waka Rapid Camera Neck Strap is not just for show. It's compatible with a wide range of DSLR cameras, including popular models from Canon, Nikon, Sony, and Olympus. So, no matter what gear you have, this strap has your back. And here's the cherry on top, convenience features. With a handy zipper pocket for storing extra batteries, memory cards, or small accessories, and an extra safety tether for added peace of mind. The Waka Rapid Camera Neck Strap is truly a photographer's dream. In conclusion, if you're tired of neck strain, worried about your camera's safety, or simply seeking unmatched comfort and convenience, look no further than the Waka Rapid Camera Neck Strap. It's the best camera strap for telephoto lenses on the market today. That wraps up our review of the Waka Rapid Camera Neck Strap. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Product Critique for more insightful reviews. Until next time, happy shooting!